but I'm still in my prime. The engine hums like a heartbeat, steady fields and mountains call. I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. The wind whispers secrets of the roads I've known, of the miles I've ridden, the seeds I've sown. But time it flies like a bird in flight, and I'm chasing shadows in the fading light. I'm ready. Oh, let the wheels roll, let the drum take flight, through the fields of gold and the mountains high. If time could stand still, I'd run forevermore, with my brothers beside me, chasing the road. Got family waiting, a love so true, but the road's a siren, and I've got miles to do. I've made my mistakes, I've carried the weight, but I'm praying for forgiveness before it's too late. The throttle's my freedom, the asphalt my prayer, but the weight of the years is a cross I bear. What happens when the wheels don't turn, when the fire in my heart starts to burn, burn, burn? Oh, let the wheels roll, let the drum take flight, through the fields of gold and the mountains high. If time could stand still, I'd ride forevermore, with my brothers beside me, chasing the road. The throttle soars high, capturing the view, where the weight of the heat is a cross I bear. What happens when the wheels don't turn, when the fire in my heart starts to burn, burn, burn? The past is a shadow, the future's a haze, but today I'm running through the sunlit blaze. But now I'm thankful that now I'm free, with the wind in my face and the road under me. So let the mouth stretch, let the journey unfold, let the stories be written in the dust and the gold, from a family man with a wanderer's soul. And the open road's the only thing that makes me whole. Oh, let the wheels roll, let the drum take flight, through the fields of gold and the mountains high. If time could stand still, I'd ride forevermore, with my brothers beside me, chasing the road. Time you think you're slipping away, but I'll ride every moment, come what may, with my family's love and the road's embrace. I keep chasing the horizon at my own pace. So here's to the ride, to the life I've known, to the fields, the mountains, and the drum's sweet tone. From a loud I'm pumping and the road's still long, and the song of the engine is my heart's true song. I've known, to the fields, the mountains, and the drum's sweet tone. From alive I'm pumping and the road's still long, and the song of the engine is my heart's true song.